Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we are going to learn about conversion. What is conversion, children? It is a change in the form of measurement, different units, without a change in the size or amount. As we know, rupees is bigger than paise. So children, from bigger unit to smaller unit, we multiply the amount in the rupees by 100. And from smaller unit to bigger unit, we divide the amount in paise by 100. Now, let's see what is the relation between rupees and paise. Children, the relation between rupees and paise is 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Now, let's look on the conversion of rupees and paise into paise. Children, when we are converting bigger unit to smaller unit, we will simply multiply the amount by 100. Then, remove the symbol of rupees. Let's see with the example. Children, here we have 4 rupees. How we will convert into paise? As we learn, when we are converting from bigger to smaller unit, what we will do, children? We will simply multiply the amount by 100. So, we will simply multiply 4 rupee by 100. So, children, as we know, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So, 4 rupee is equals to 4 multiplied by 100 paise. We will get the answer in paise form. So, 4 multiplied by 100 paise. Answer we get here 400 paise. Now, let's understand with one more example. Children, here we have 7 rupees 50 paise. As we know, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Children, first we will separate the rupees and paise by putting the sign of addition in place of dot. So, we will write 7 rupee plus 50 paise. Children, here changes will occur only in the rupees part. The paise part will remain same. So, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So, 7 rupee is equals to 700 paise. Why, children? Because here we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit. So, we will simply multiply the amount by 100. So, 700 paise we will get here. Then we will add plus 50 paise. So, 700 paise plus 50 paise. Answer we will get 750 paise. Now let's look on the another conversion of paise and rupees into paise. Children, here we are converting from a smaller unit to bigger unit. So when we are converting a smaller to bigger unit, we will simply divide the amount by 100. Then we will remove the symbol of paise. Let's understand with example. Children, here we have 200 paise. Children, here we have a smaller unit and we have to convert into bigger unit. So, how we will convert, children? As we know, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Therefore, 1 paise is equals to 1 upon 100 rupees. It means 1/100th of rupees. So, children, we will simply divide the amount by 100. So, we will get the answer in rupees form. 200 by 100, we get the answer 2 rupees. Let's understand with one more example. Children, here we have 310 paise. As we know, 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. Similarly, 1 paise is equals to 1 upon 100 rupees. So, children, when we are converting a smaller to bigger unit, simply divide by 100. So, we will simply divide 310 by 100. So we will get the answer in rupees form, or you can count 2 digits from the right, then place the dot. After that you will get the answer in rupees and paise form. So here we get the answer 3 rupees 10 paise. I hope you understand well, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.